Izindaba zesiNdebele sikubikela zona ukusuka emzini mkhulu we-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
If we work on the number of the 2.1 million people, has been losing about 2.5 billion rands per month, and that amounts to 30 billion rands per annum.
I-Eskom ingezelele isikhathi sokuthi labo abafumana igezi ngokungemthetho beze bazokunqanqabeza.
I urge matriculants to refrain from alcohol abuse during pens down events and matric rage parties.
Ngqongqoshe wezefundo sisekelo uyelelisa abafundi ngobungozi botshwala nezinye izinto eziyingozi nabagidinga ukuqeda ukuhlola inhlahlubo zokuphela komnyaka.
I think it's very important for us to vote in these elections. Yeah.
Time to make those changes, vote for change.
It's my citizen right. That's why people went to war and fighting for our rights. So there's no way that I can miss it.
Kuyavotwa elizweni leNamibia namhlanje kanti abavoti bavuke ngamasa ngombana bangafuni ukuphundwa lithuba lokuvota. Kuba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC1 ngesiNdebele. Akwande. Pheze amaphesenti ayi-99 wabantu abathenga igezi esele bachugulule inkuphu zabo zegezi ukuya ku-Key Revision number 2. Kuthi kunjalo, abantu abayi-1.7 million basasebenzisa igezi ngokungemthetho. Ngalokho-ke, i-Eskom ilahlekelwa amabhiliyoni wamaranda ngenyanga. Lokhu kuvezwe ngungqongqoshe wezegezi namandla uDr. Kgosientsho Ramokgopa. Ungqongqoshe kunye ne-Eskom bebaveza zamva nje mayelana nokutloliswa ngobutsha kweenkuphu zegezi.
Ungqongqoshe uthi abantu abangathengi igezi ngokomthetho banikelwe kwemhla ali-13 kuNobayeni bona benza okulungileko. Ungezelele wathi kufuze bathome ngokuthenga igezi ngaphambi kokuthi bafumane isizo begodu kulindeleke bona babhadele ihlawulo ethileko yokulelesela isigubhu se-Eskom ngaphambi kobana bafumane isigubhu esitsha.
Eskom from its own customers, I did say to you earlier on, if we work on the number of the 2.1 million people, has been losing about 2.5 billion rands per month, and that amounts to 30 billion rands per annum, just on their customers, direct customers, and then there's bulk customers in municipalities, 90 billion. When you put together that number, it's a staggering 120 billion rand.
Nakusenjalo, ungqongqoshe kunye ne-Eskom batshuwe ngemibuzo yikomiti etshejeza igezi namandla eParliamente.
The reality is that this is just once again failure of Eskom. So every failure of Eskom, it is usually the consumer that gets to suffer. And one of the failures is that you had 30 years to do this.
Why is this only coming to the Portfolio Committee now? Why is this being raised so late in the day as an issue? I mean, we're actually after the deadline, and it's the first time that the Portfolio Committee, it's the first time that the Committee on Energy
Ramokgopa uthi abantu abaningi abajama emjeje kade bangathengi igezi kanti abanye kade banganamgubhe kodwa nabadose igezi ngokungemthetho.
And I also want to make the point that even those who are zero vendors are the rich. I think it's an important point to make. You find them in rich suburbs, people with exceptionally high income. So those are not just delinquents, they are thugs who are robbing the system.
Ramokgopa uthi abongazimba balimalako kile msebenzi ukuzidosela igezi ngokungemthetho ngilabo abathenga igezi yamambala.
Umengameli walokhu uThabo Mbeki uthi iSouth Africa kufanele iragele phambili ngokuchochozela ichebiswano lamazwe we-G20. Umbeki bekakhuluma econference ebeyibanjelwe eSomerset West eKapa namhlanje. Ilizwe lekhethu lizilungisela ukwamkela isikhundla sikaMengameli wekhethu oselangosihlalo wamazwe we-G20.
Lenkomfa iququzelelwa yiThabo Mbeki Foundation ibambisene neObserver Research Foundation ifuna ukuqwalasela imingeni ejongene namazwe asahlumayo aphansi kwamazwe e-G20. Umbeki uthi uMzantsi Afrika unoxanduva olukhulu lokukhokela lamazwe e-G20.
As South Africa takes over the presidency of the G20 following all these other countries of the South, there must be a message from us here, which says in continuation of what has been happening in terms of these G20 meetings, This is what we want to achieve. This is what this G-South, the G20, the Global South wants to achieve. And this is how it should be done.
Usomlomo waseParlamente uThoko Didiza uthi imfazwe zamanye amazwe zichaphazela lamazwe asahlumayo.
The year 2024 has represented us with numerous challenges from geopolitical conflicts affecting supply chains of the pressing need for sustainable development amidst climate change.
Kusenjalo kulindeleke kuba usekela mongameli uPaul Mashatile awise intetho kule nkomfa ngoLwesine. Kwiindaba ze-SABC Dingubulelani Philip eSomerset West.
Iphiko labomma ehlanganweni ye-ANC Women's League ngelesihlanu yokumathela ijima lamalanga ali-16 okulwisana nokukhahlumezwa kwabomma nabantwana. Imachi ye-ANC Women's League ichinga Union Buildings lapha bayokunikela khona umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa incwadi yendlilo zabo. Imbalobalo ezikhutshwe ngungqongqoshe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu ziveza bona kubulewe abomma nabantwana abangaphezulu kwe-2500 phakathi kwakaSihlabantangana noKhukhulamungu umnyaka lo. Ngqongqoshe umemezele bona ukukhahlumezwa kwabantu bengubo nabantwana kuyiqalo ntanzi lelizweli ejimeni lamalanga ali-16 elithome ngoMvulo.
Ngemva kokuhlonywa kwejima elihlonyiswa iphasi lonke lamalanga ali-16 lokukhanywa kwezenzo zokukhahlumezwa kwabomma nabantwana, i-ANC Women's League imemezele ihlelo layo lokumatshela i-Union Buildings ePitori lapho iyokuzwakalisa khona inlilo zayo kumengameli welizwe uCyril Ramaphosa.
It is against this background of consistent onslaught against women of this country that as the Women's League, in collaboration with all structures of the mass democratic movement, our alliance component, the Progressive Women's Movement of South Africa, faith-based organizations, the broader civil society, and other political formations, has resolved to intensify our advocacy for the implementation and strengthening of national prevention strategies.
Imachili yokubanjwa ngaphasi kwesiqubulo esithi United for Justice okutsho bona sibumbanele ubulungiswa.
This theme emphasizes unity, justice, and the collective effort needed to address and eradicate GBV and femicide in South Africa. And we demand, among other things, the following: stricter no-bail measures for the courts, mandatory training for police and judicial officials to handle GBV cases sensitively and effectively.
Imachi yokuthoma ngo-10 eBeggars Park ehlokodorobha yePitori kanti abomma bazokumatha amakhilomitha 4 la bayokunikela ngenqoda wenlilo.
Usabukele indaba ngesindebele nawuqeda ukungena sekwamukela. Kanti nasiraka nendaba zithola ezithi ukukhahlumezwa ngokomseme kwabantwana kusesesitshijulo esikhulu eSouth Africa pha. Kanti abanye abongazimbi bazithola basesebancane. Imbalobalo ezivela kuhulumende ziveza bona liyakhuphuka izinga labantwana abazithwalako. Kanti kwezinye izehlakalo abanye babeletha abaneminyaka eli-10 ubudala ngonobangela ukukatwa. Lokho kunjengomana iSouth Africa ithwaya amalanga ali-16 ukukhalima izenzo zokukhahlumezwa kwabomma nabantwana.
Isehlakalo esenzeke mhlapha ehlagwini iJingalanga lapha kugadwe khona umntwana weminyaka eli-11 ubudala ekuthiwa ukadwe indoda yeminyaka ema-36 ubudala. Sibeka amehlo indaba emrarweni yokukhahlumezwa kwabantwana ababentazana elizweni elimi. Avulavuliwa amacala wokukhahlumezwa kwabantwana khulukhulu ababentazana ekufaka hlangana izehlakalo zokukata. Kanti esikhathini esiningi bagcina bazithwele babancane.
Going back to communities, households, what are you doing to keep the children safe? Because we can't be saying what's government doing. The children are not living with government.
Ngempela veke kukata umntazinyana weminyaka eli-11 ubudala kanti umndeni wakhe ufuna ubulungiswa.
Violation against children and women should be taken seriously so, and the perpetrator should be severely punished. He must get exactly what he deserved because he destroyed everybody in the family.
Nanyana bongazimbi nemndeni abo babeka ithemba ke bezomthetho ukuthola ubulungiswa nje ukuba sidisi komntwana kusala kumraro omkhulu abaqalana nawo.
Children, birthing children, is a harsh reality we are currently faced with. And we do not refer to it as teen pregnancy. That is euphemizing it.
Umbiko okhutshwe nguhulumende wesifunda seGauteng uveza bona bayi-122,000 abantwana ababintazana abangaphasi kweminyaka yobudala ababelethileko eminyakeni wembalo odlulileko, kanti bayi-2,700 abantazinyana abaphakathi kweminyaka eli-10 ubudala neminyaka eli-14 ubudala nabo ababebomma. Kanti ngale kokuqalana nekhonakalo yokuzithwala kukaNgazimbi, uNgazimbi yena usala nesilonda sempilo yakhe yonke.
Izakhamuzi eziningi zeNamibia zinethemba lokubana urhulumende omutsha uzokulisana nomtlhago kunye nokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi elizweni. Lokhu kunjengombana namhlanje kubanjwe amakhetho eNamibia. Abonkhethani ababili abadosa phambili ehelweni labonkhethani bavotile nabo entetshini zokuvota ezihlukahlukeneko.
Kuvuke kumjeje ngemijeje eNamibia, abantu bancamela ukuvota.
I think it's very important for us to vote in these elections. Yeah.
It's time to make those changes. Vote for change.
It's my citizen right. That's why people went to war and fighting for our rights. So there's no way that I can miss it.
Intetshi zokuvota zivulwe ngesikhathi kanti namahlelo wokuvota akhambe kuhle. Isekela likaMengameli weNamibia ongunkhethani wehlangano iSWAPO uthi unethemba lokubana ihlangano yakhe izokusebenza kuhle kulamakhetho.
I'm just really expecting good results, and then for us to move forward in advancing what we have committed to the people of Namibia.
Abanye abonkhethani nabo banethemba lokuthumba.
And I felt so happy that so many people died and sacrificed for us to be able to have this opportunity to vote.
Abaqozilule bathi ihlangana nezinto zokuba nomthelele emavotini minyaka yobudala nobulili. Kanti umbuzo uthi ingakhani iSWAPO izokuthumba kodwa na unkhethanayo yabe ngumengameli wokuthoma umuntu wengubo elizweni lina. Ihlangano le ineminyaka ema-34 iphethe kodwa njenganje kubonakala ilahlekelwa lisekelo.
If SWAPO's past performance in the 2019 elections is anything to go by, I think there is really no telling what this election result will be.
Zingaphezulu kwekulungwana izakhamuzi eNamibia ezizihlolisela ukuvota kanti abantu abatsha nabo baphume ngobuningi ukuyokuvota.
Abantu abangaboniko emehlweni baveze ubukhware babo eNelspruit Art Gallery eMpumalanga. Iziko elithuthukisa amakhono abangaboniko emehlweni eMpumalanga libambe umqaliso wokusekela ukuvulelwa kwabantu abangaboniko amahlelweni amathuba.
Ikundla yokutshengisa ngemisebenzi ezandla. Lobo bukhwaro benziwe babantu abangabonike emehlweni. Babandulele ukuthi bakhona ukuziphilisa ngokusebenzisa izandla zabo. Umqaliso obukhwaro lo uthwaye ukuphela kwenyanga yabantu abakhubazekileko.
Ngihleli kakhulu endlini ngaphumi ngiyi1, so after ngihlangana nabantu ngabe ukuthola konke elikwendako ngifila sengishapu and ngiyathemba ukuthi emva kwaloko ngizoba right ngizothola umsebenzi.
Ngaluza i-aside on 10 August, so bengihleli endlini ngati lutho, so then ngathola abangani labanye bangaboni bangitshela ukuthi no kune-MPSDH isikolo sebantu labangaboni ngabuya ujoyine kubo, so then ngahamba ngafika ngajoyina kubo ngafunza ama-skills kufunza nomsebenzi wetandla arts.
Impumalanga Blind Skill Development isekela begodi bantu labantu abangabonike emehlweni. Hlangano le bawisekela lingezelelekileko lekululeko yabantu abangabonike emehlweni.
If you can find the support system that can actually speak to the ideas that we have, because we've got so many ideas that can actually liberate the visually impaired person. So the only thing that is actually standing between us and the success and the impartation is the support structure.
Ihlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo le nethemba lokubamba neminye kodwa imiqaliso efana nale ukwenzela ukuzwisisa khudlwana ukwelapha ngobukhwari.
Kanti khasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngayo le ndaba eqeda ukuphela. Asiqalisane umbona wakho mbukeli.
asikho nezixhobo zoba sifunde njengami mna ndiboni kakuhle abanye ababoni total makufakwe izixhobo ibraille ezikolweni sizokwazi ukufunda nathi
lo khana sikhuluphelele ukuthi mhlambe uzaba khona isikolo esinjengaleso awavane ke siqale ngale ngeGauteng ukuthi mhlambe ngibo abangahelebha abantu laba abangaboni komara ngapha ngakithi ngeMpumalanga awani
ngifise ngazathi uhulumeni ebengabaxhasa ngazo zonke izinsiza kusebenza njeke imfuna abayifunayo
uhulumende yakadala inzima yakhe abasungule amathuba omsebenzi labanye labanemfunzathi abathuthukise
angaska namanye amaphondo angesa mzekweni
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ezokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ungqongqotjhe wezefundo esisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube uthi ukuhlolwa kwenhlahlebo zika matric kube yimpumelelo ezweni lonke. Uthi nanyana kube nezehlakalo ezincane zokuphazamiseka kwezinye indawo kodwa nabaqinisekisile ukuthi ukuhlolwa ngehlahlubo kuraga ngefanelo. Ugwarube uthi bekuphoswe ilihlo elibukhali emazikweni wokuhlolwa ngahle abe ingozi.
Njengoba nabafundi baka matric baqeda ukuhlola inhlahlubo zabo zokuphela komnyaka kusasa nje, ungqongqotjhe wezefundo esisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube ubawa abafundi abakuthi bazithabisa ngendlela ephephileko. Kanti ungezelele ngokubawa abafundi ukuthi badlalele kude notshwala ngombana abanye babusebenzisa ngendlela yokuzithabisa namkha bazibandakanye ezenzweni ezingaba yingozi. Ngomnyaka opheleleko kubhubha abafundi abadlule ema-20 ePumalanga Kapa nibe bayozithabisela ukuqeda ukuhlola inhlahlubo zokuphela komnyaka ethaveni yendawo.
I urge matriculants to refrain from alcohol abuse during pens down events and matric rage parties. These moments of celebration of achievements should not risk life and safety. It's absolutely important that we do not engage and you do not engage in reckless behavior.
Ugwarube uthi nanyana kufuze kuthabele ukuqeda kokuhlola kwenhlahlubo zika matric kodwana izehlakalo zokukhahlunyezwa kwabafundi ngokomseme enkolweni angekhe zeqiselwa amehlo begodu lokhu kutsho ukuthi kufanele kuqiniswe zevikeleko enkolweni ukuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwabafundi. Uragele phambili wathi kunabafundi abasithandathu abagade isiqhema samagenge umlandelande ePumalanga Kapa ezehlakalweni ezimbili ezihlukeneko ngesikhathi balungiselela ukuhlola inhlahlubo zabo zokuphela komnyaka.
The 16 days of activism is a moment for us to recommit ourselves to ending the scourge of violence, which is experienced by women and children on a daily basis in this country. And I call on every South African, parents, educators, community leaders, and government officials to play their part in ensuring that no child is to endure such trauma.
Ugwarube uthi nanyana abafundi baqeda ukuhlola inhlahlubo zabo nje, kodwana usesemningi umsebenzi ekufanele wenziwe. Kubala hlangana okumakhwa kwamaphepha ekuyokthoma mhla ilanga lilinye kuNobayeni kunye nokugadangiswa kwemphumela yabafundi. Imphumela yabafundi baka matric iyokuphuma mhla amalanga ali-13 kuTjhirhweni ngomnyaka ozako.
Ikomishini yamalungelo obuntu ithi ukuhlela kobunikazi benarha ebahlaleli bemaplasini kudosela ekubandlululweni begodu nokuqothwa sakuninwa ngokobuhlanga bosomaplasini.
Ikomishini yamalungelo obuntu litsho yaligandelela lokuthi abahlali bemaplasini nabasolo banganabunikazi benarha basazokuragela phambili nokubandlululwa nokuphele baqothwe emaplasini. Ithi kunefuneka ukuthi iParliament ingenelele ngokurhabaka ekurarulweni umraro wokungalingani ebunikazini benarha begodu yenze nokuthi bonke abantu babe nenarha ngokulinganako. Umphathi wekomishini yamalungelo obuntu eLimpopo Victor Mabidula uthi kube nezehlakalo eziningi zokuqothwa kwabantu ebilabila neliphalale. Ikomishini le iveze nokuthi badliwa kanjani izandla abasebenzi bemaplasini bangabhadelwa nomholo ofaneleko. Umabidula uthi abanye abosomaplasi bacindelisa amanzi negezi ebahlalini bemaplasini njengendlela yokubaqotha emaplasini.
The biggest challenge there is that those people who are still owning land, they don't respect farm workers, they don't respect farm dwellers, they don't respect labor tenants.
Umabidula sole nekambiso ezobulungiswa ngokubhalelwa kutshutshisa izenzo zobulelesi emaplasini. Komishini ezamalungelo obuntu ingenelele nesehlakalweni samhlapha nje sokubulawa kwabomma ababili intumbu zabo zaphoselwa ngehogweni yewotshi eplasini eOverwacht ngaphandle kwePulukwane. Banye abahlali bemaplasini kulembizo bazwakalisa ukuthwenyeka ngokuqothwa emaplasini bafuna uhulumende abalekelele bakhona ukufumana inarha.
ke na le bothata sa le re mashimo re ntsha metlhari ka diatla ona bjano le borule la tšea mashimo le a irišetša makgowa a mangwe re ra go rara tshwanelo lema
i-FW de Klerk Foundation ithi kunefuneka ukuthi urhulumende asekela abongazimbi bobulelesi bemaplasini.
We must cultivate a culture also of support for the victims, because when cases are not handled timeously, as you've mentioned, then the trauma, the emotional and psychological trauma continues to haunt victims.
Ikomishini le ithi insombululo zembizo le zizokubuthelelwa zonke zibe mbiko yokubekwa phambi kweParliamente ngasikade.
Nasiphosa ilihlo kezemali, iranda liqina lingaso nezinye imali ezikulu. Njengenjalo sihlole ngehlelweni sibuya nabazumi. Akwande Masango, niphethe ziphi nomhlonitshwa uLisitsha Dikgale?
Koleka indambo elangeni lanamhlanje lihlelo likhathekileko silitshingisa lapha kumasipala weThembisila nesifundeni seMpumalanga siyokuqala ijima labo lokuthi bekade kugudulwa entolo uzakuveza kumhlonishwa ukuthi ngikuphi bakufunyaneka kusuka la kuragelwa njani phambili ngale kwalokho ziyahloliswa ke intolo zomhlobo ezisiphaza kuhloliswa nalabo abathengisi bendleleni khona lapha kumasipala weThembisila konke lokhu ngesikuphethe nge-hour lesithandathu ngemva ukuthi imizuzu emihlanu ngemva kwe-hour lesithandathu siyalithoma ke ihlelo sibisele indamo ngakuwe Thandeka sithokoze
Masango asipoti ngapha siyabuya mbukela. Umusa.
Asilotshise endambama namhlanje sibungele sithathu napho ubujamo bakho bezulu sibona lapha ke izulu lapha eCape Town amazinga wakhona athi 60% now 2 years athi 30% kanti ke lapha ke endaweni zeMpumalanga nalapha ke ngaKwaZulu Natal nge80% siyacalela ukuthi ngakhani kusasa kunjani na amathuba athukwehla ngilezi yandawo zangale ngeMpumalanga nangale ngeKZN nge60% lapha ke kuboqebeha litholakale ke nakhona nge60% lapha ke silemukiso sisitholileko imjijo iduma kumbi endaweni zeKZN nalapha ke ezinye indawo ngale ngeMpumalanga kuthi lapha ke ilwandle lithi ukuba namandla ngale ngeMpumalanga Kapa siqalela lapha amazinga wokuchisa futhumele kamnandi iGauteng lapha ePitori nge26 soqalela isifunda sangale ngeLimpopo sibona ke naso siyachisa lapha eMukopane Phalaburwa ifuthumele nge25 iliphalale yachisa nge37 eMpumalanga bonakala ke ipholile endaweni eziningi emelo ngathi kumakhaza ke imini pheze yonke kubomhlanga kufuthumele kamnandi bo25 bo26 kwaZulu Natal bonakala ke ipholile eKokstad khona ke kumakhaza imini yoke Richards Bay sibona ke yona ifuthumele nge25 siyalapha ke sifundeni seMpumalanga Kapa kupholile endaweni eziningi lapha ke eMthatha nge19 komani ngathi kumakhaza ke pheze imini yoke iWestern Cape bonakala ke ifuthumele Cape Town nge25 kuthi lapha kuboMossel Bay nge21 neGeorge kupholile ke khona ngaleke ngeNorthern Cape sibona ke lapha futhumele endaweni eziningi eDaa bonakala kupholile khona iFreystata bonakala ke yona ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi noma kuzakuvuka kumakhaza siyaphola isifunda lapha eFixburg kuthi kufuthumale boBethlehem nge24 kokugcina lapha eNorthwest yachisa lapha eTosca nalapha ePietermaritzburg angithi eRustenburg kuthi ke ezinye indawo ke kufuthumele kamnandi sibonane ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido